Is that everybody?
Yeah, that's everyone.
It better be.
Can't you put this out?
I can't lay down a layer thick enough. It's evaporating too fast.
What does that mean?
It means it's hot. And I'm dehydrated, Hiccup.
You're out of ice? Can't run out of ice. I thought you can use water in the air.
There is no water in this air. What's your excuse, run out of muscle?
I just can't go smashing into walls. The building's getting weaker by the seconds. It's gonna come down on top of us.
I wanted to go bowling.
All right, stay right on my tail. This is gonna get hot.